Hi, let's try to analyze the result of Assam Assembly Election 2021. So, this is the result. Now, look at this chart. What do you understand? Never mind. Now, look at it from my point of view. I have a question for you. Whom do you think the killers were during the election? Yes, they were the AGP. According to them, we may not be the winner, but we won't let others win. Now look at the achiever. Who do you think the achievers are? Yes, of course, BJP. According to them, focus on gaining success, be it by belittling others or by creating own fame. Now, the explorer. Yes, they were the Congress and AIUDF. According to them, let's try a different strategy. Although it's known that we are weak, our leadership is worthless and our past goes against credibility. Now look at the socializers. Whom do you think they are? Yes, it's RD. According to them, let's do something good for the society, make some fans and gain a bit popularity. Who knows if it leads to success if people are interested in development of the society. In a cricket match, when defeat is certain, especially in a test cricket, the team tries to avoid follow-on. Perhaps the state was trying to do the same, but eventually it could not succeed, even though success was not the definition of success. Definition of success was just a little bit better than the existing one. Everyone thought this time votes will be casted based on conscience, but finally it was based on parties. Otherwise, the most hated party of the state, AGP, would not have gained a single seat. They won because they are affiliated with BJP. One thing people perhaps understood is opportunistic parties should not be given a chance. Who says religion doesn't matter? It clearly matters in constituencies like Dhing, Bordua, etc. Ultimately, if people choose individual development over and above the welfare of the state, then they will just gain what they want. Not even a strong opposition who can help to come up with better decision in favor of people. Assam could not get rid of follow-on. Doesn't matter who wins, but it matters how strong the opposition is. People are even blaming people of Assam. People oppose CAA, which eventually gave birth to new political parties. Some people got back to track by supporting CAA at the end. One thing is very evident, that people are so confused that they could never decide in the first attempt, or they had to change their opinion. Are they really getting the result they wanted? Did they win? Perhaps it will take some time for them to take this decision as well.